Imagine a place so hot that the ground can burn your skin in seconds. A place where cars break down, water disappears instantly, and temperatures once reached a terrifying 56.7 degrees Celsius. Welcome to Death Valley, one of the most extreme places on Earth. But here's the strange part. Even in this deadly desert, life still survives. Today, we're exploring the secrets, dangers, and mysteries of the hottest place on Earth. Death Valley is located in eastern California, near the border of Nevada. It's part of Death Valley National Park, the largest national park in the continental United States. The valley sits below sea level, surrounded by mountains that trap heat like a giant oven. And because very little rain reaches this area, the land becomes unbelievably dry and hot. Some places here receive less than 5 centimeters of rain in an entire year. In 1913, temperatures at Furnace Creek in Death Valley reportedly reached an incredible 56.7 degrees Celsius, or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's one of the highest air temperatures ever recorded on Earth. Furnace Creek became famous worldwide because of this extreme heat. During summer, the ground itself can become hot enough to fry eggs, although many people say that's more myth than reality. Even modern temperatures regularly climb above 50 degrees Celsius. At that level of heat, your body struggles to cool itself. Dehydration can happen fast. And without water or shade, survival becomes dangerous. So why does Death Valley become this hot? The answer is geography. The valley lies deep below sea level, while tall mountains surround it on nearly every side. Hot air becomes trapped inside the basin and keeps heating up. The rocks and dark ground absorb sunlight all day long, then release the heat slowly at night. This creates a natural heat trap. And because there's almost no humidity or clouds, the sun's energy hits the ground directly. It's basically nature's giant furnace. One of Death Valley's biggest mysteries can be found at a place called Racetrack Playa. Here, giant rocks appear to move across the desert floor, all by themselves. Behind them, long trails stretch across the dry ground. For years, scientists were confused. People created theories about aliens, magnetic forces, and even ghosts. But eventually, researchers discovered the truth. During rare cold nights, thin sheets of ice form beneath the rocks. When sunlight melts the ice and strong winds blow across the valley, the rocks slowly slide across the surface. The movement is so slow that humans almost never see it happen. Even though Death Valley seems lifeless, many animals still survive here. Foxes, snakes, lizards, insects, and even tiny fish live in this brutal environment. Most animals avoid the daytime heat by becoming active only at night. And something incredible happens after rare rainstorms. Suddenly, colorful wildflowers bloom across the desert floor. For a short time, the valley transforms into a sea of flowers. It's one of nature's most beautiful surprises. Every year, tourists visit Death Valley to experience its extreme environment. But the desert can be deadly. Cars overheat. Phones lose signal. And water disappears faster than people expect. Park officials constantly warn visitors. Never travel without extra water. Some hikers have suffered severe heat exhaustion after only short walks. In extreme temperatures, even touching metal surfaces can burn your skin. Death Valley may look beautiful, but it demands respect. Death Valley is more than just the hottest place on Earth. It's a land of extremes, mysteries, and survival. A place where nature pushes life to its absolute limits. And somehow, life still finds a way. Would you ever visit Death Valley? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more mysterious places from around the world.